Making money on YouTube doesn't have to be a difficult thing, but it definitely isn't necessary that you have to show your face. But today, I am here to show you exactly how I make up to $900 per day on YouTube using just 6 AI tools. Meaning no camera, no complicated edits, the best part, you don't have to speak on camera. Ever wonder how AI tools will automate everything from writing a script, generating video, adding voiceovers, and even creating the thumbnail? Well, you're in the right place. So by the end of this video, you are going to precisely know how to make YouTube videos monetizable that get loved by YouTube and promoted so much that you don't even have to shoot or edit them. Are you ready to start? Let's do it. But before we start, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. So why bother with AI when it comes to YouTube videos anyway? Well, long story short, creating YouTube content means long days of sitting for script writing, home video captures, editing, and struggling to figure how you can make your content stand out, right? That's not the case anymore with the help of AI, where you can pretty much automate all but nearly every step of the process. Imagine this: sitting home, sipping your coffee, and these AI tools are creating scripts, assembling footage, adding professional voiceovers, and even designing thumbnails for you. Click a few buttons and voila, you're ready to upload this piece of video. And second, faceless channels are getting very popular. Whether it is explainer videos, top 10 lists, or tutorials, such channels get millions of views, all without the creator appearing on camera. Add AI automation, and that is a recipe for scaling fast while making real money on YouTube. Also, the more people move towards creating faceless content, the better you will be positioned to seize the high tide of this trend before it gets even crazier. Now, let's discuss the 6 AI tools that enable all of this. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, the best script writer ever. Okay, let me begin with the obvious first. Creating video scripts using ChatGPT is my go-to tool for idea generation. How cool is it to save hours of tedious writing and brainstorming only to get high-quality scripts in minutes? Step 1, decide on the subject of your video. Assume that you are going to be recording a video on top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. You feed this title into ChatGPT, and within seconds you have a fully structured script with an introduction, body, and conclusion. Step 2, you can even dial down the response to your taste. Even make it formal, conversational, or even humorous if you will. If there are aspects of a script you want to know more about, ask the AI to comment specifically on those points. Previously, scripting would take a significant number of hours in production. But with ChatGPT, you cut all that time down to probably just a few minutes. You wind up with very interactive, well-structured scripts that are right for maintaining viewers' attention, and the AI gets smarter with usage, meaning it calibrates over time to fit your specific content needs. Based on my process of creating video, and with a great script in hand, you're halfway to creating a viral video. Tool number 2, Pictory. Once you have your script, you can then create your actual video. This is where Pictory comes in. Pictory is that mighty AI tool that transforms your script into exciting video content, complete with stock footage, overlays of text, and even music. How does it work? Tool number 2, Pictory. Once you have your script, you can then create your actual video. This is where Pictory comes in. Pictory is that mighty AI tool that transforms your script into exciting video content, complete with stock footage, overlays of text, and even music. How does it work? Step 1, upload the script you created from ChatGPT to Pictory. Step 2, AI scans the script, detects major points and keywords in it, and retrieves video stock clips from a library. If your script mentions a lion, videos of real lions roaming freely in their wild habitat will pop up around you. Step 3, now you can start editing these clips or add transitions, overlays, even your brand's logo. The beauty of Pictory lies in the fact that you never have to film and never need to extensively edit. You don't need any video editing skills whatsoever. All stock footage is royalty-free at Pictory, so you'll never have to worry about copyright again. It is perfect for YouTubers who like faceless vlogging, because it enables you to produce media just like a TV station without having any camera, lights, or recording equipment. Tool number 3, Speechelo, voiceover AI. Now we have Speechelo, which deals with one of the most pains of video creation, voiceovers. Here's how it works. You take your script you wrote, or maybe generated using ChatGPT, and paste it in Speechelo. Step 2, choose from a vast library of voices synthesized by AI. Speechelo has tons of options, each sounding amazingly realistic. Step 3, you can even change the tone of the voice, the speed. Add pauses or breathing sounds to make it sound almost more human. The feature of Speechelo is that it will never need to record your voiceover, yet it sounds so natural, as if a real person is speaking. You do not have to spend extra money recording equipment or hire professional voice actors. Speechelo does all this for you in minutes. And the coolest thing, your audience won't even know it's AI. Tool number 4, Canva, designing click-worthy thumbnails. Well, now that all of this is said and done, here's the big secret: your thumbnail is just as important as your video content. A thumbnail can make or break your video's performance because it will directly affect your click-through rate. And that's where Canva comes in. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open Canva and choose a YouTube thumbnail template. Canva has pre-designed templates that are optimized for YouTube, meaning they're more likely to catch a viewer's eye. Step 2. Personalize this template by changing the headline to your own headline, changing the colors, and inserting any image you may find relevant. You can use Canva's library of stock photos or upload your own. Step 3. You add that finishing flourishes, emojis, arrows, or highlights to make sure your thumbnail stands out. The future of YouTube is all about thumbnails. The right thumbnail can make all the difference when it comes to CTRs, which means more views and more dollars. Canva allows the whole design process to become user-friendly even to someone with no design skills. In just a few minutes, you will have a professional-looking thumbnail screaming "click me" for your audience. Tool number 5. VidIQ. Your video optimized for SEO. Even the best videos need a little nudge to be discovered. That is precisely where VidIQ comes in. VidIQ, an AI-driven tool, assists in optimizing the videos on YouTube to the algorithm so that they can be better found and ranked. Here's how it works. Step 1. Now you would start finding the most trending topics or keywords using VidIQ. Suppose I'm doing a video on fitness. Now, VidIQ will start showing you the top 5 most popular keywords linked to fitness and how many searches there are. Step 2. Keywords will be suggested to you by VidIQ so that you can optimize your title, description, and tags. Once you understand what the video is about, YouTube's algorithm can push this video in front of users who would be interested in these topics. Step 3. Once you upload a video, VidIQ then tracks your video and provides ways in which you can improve upon your SEO, then brings many views your way. Tool number 6. TubeBuddy. Managing and growing your channel. The last tool is TubeBuddy. It's a powerful YouTube management tool that'll help you optimize your channel and enhance the performance of your videos. Here's how it works. Step 1. Get TubeBuddy to automate tasks like scheduling uploads, bulk updating video descriptions, among other things, within minutes. Saves so much time. Step 2. Use the analytics of TubeBuddy to see which videos are doing best and why. It deep dives into watch time, engagement, and demographics. Step 3. Take 2 thumbnails, A and B, and test your thumbnails to determine which one works better. TubeBuddy allows you to compare 2 versions of a thumbnail and which drives more clicks. TubeBuddy is perfect for scaling up your channel. Not only does it give you tools and automation of tasks, but it also gives you detailed analytics to understand which strategy's the winner and which one's a loser. In this way, you can play the big guns on the strategies bringing in views and revenue while cutting out the ones that don't. And how do these tools contribute to your earnings of $900 per day? Here is how. Step 1. Employ ChatGPT for creating scripts instantaneously that, once made, attract and retain viewers. Step 2. Pictory takes those scripts and transforms them into viewable videos for users who don't film. Step 3. Give a professional-sounding voice with Speechelo to your content in a human-like and natural tone. Step 4. Create a great-looking thumbnail in Canva. Increase your click-through rate. Step 5. Optimize your video using VidIQ so your video is at the top of the YouTube search results. Step 6. Manage and track the growth of your channel with TubeBuddy in the most efficient way possible. By doing the same thing and creating high-quality videos regularly, you'll start seeing your channel scale and the cash flow will just follow. Whether it's through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or even sponsorships, these AI tools are there to help you scale faster and more efficiently. Well, that's it. Now, with the very same blueprint and tools, you start off making viral, monetizable faceless YouTube videos using just AI. You no longer have to spend hours building videos and hours cutting and editing. These tools make content creation for YouTube's algorithm so much easier than you ever could have imagined. So go ahead and give these a try. If you did find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment of which tool that you're most excited to try out. I look forward to what you will make. Thanks for watching.